Well, hey guys, how's it going? I've done this video like five times already, and I've been having some glitches, but I'm just sitting out here on my back porch, as you can see, and it's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. And I know I have been missing in action for a long time, but I've been going through some things with my dad as far as health wise is concerned. So I've been pretty busy just traveling. He's down in Florida, so I had to travel a couple of times and get him situated, and he's been having really bad health issues. So I could only stretch myself so far, like a taffy, and then after that, I couldn't stretch myself anymore. So, YouTube has kind of like fallen on the wayside, as they say. But I'm gonna try to come back, and gonna try to do some videos and some vertical videos, so short videos like this, and not really bother or put myself under the pressure of doing some really longer videos. So here it goes. I found an app that I really like, and I wanted to pass this on to you guys. It's an app called Yuka, Yuka. And it's on the iOS, but I believe it's probably for Android as well. So you guys can look it up. It's a free app. Now, they do have a yearly membership, but that's only if you want to do extensive database searches or look up products. And it's basically what it does is you go into the store, you put the app on, and then you snap the barcodes on the products that you're looking up. Now, right now, it just does food products and beauty products. Hopefully they'll expand to do, like I'd really like them to do pet products too. But right now it's food and beauty products. Not every food is in there. So if you find a food that isn't, doesn't have a barcode, or you can't gain access to it, that's when the search bar comes in handy, and that's when they make you pay extra for, membership. But what it does is it tells you all the ingredients and what is good and what is bad in that food. So if you snap a food group like, I don't know, crackers or something, it'll, instead of you looking at the list, the very long, extensive list of ingredients, and not knowing what half of these ingredients are and what they do for your body, this app will basically outline every single ingredient, and if it's a good product or a bad product to have in your in your ingredients for your food, should you ingest it or not. So I tried it on some basic products, and I'll put some of the screen captures up here, so I'll kind of like scoot over so you guys can see it. But I went through some of the products, and basically I was interested in beauty products. And what I learned with beauty products is that even if you choose a certain brand, like let's say you're very brand loyal to a certain beauty product, it doesn't mean that everything in that brand lineup is good for your skin. So maybe their facial cleansers might be good, or their night cream might be good, but then again, the toner might not be good, or some other scrub might not be good based on the ingredients that are in that product. And this app, and by the way, I'm not sponsored or anything. Nobody knows about me. I don't care. I don't do it. Ooh, I got a bug on me. Oh my God. Oh, that was scary. This little bug just landed on me. I'm out here in the patio. So yeah, they don't know about me. They don't care about me. They don't know who I am. So it doesn't matter to them. I'm not being sponsored in any way. So this is just my findings, okay? Take it as you will, as they say. But what I found is, so when I'm looking at the products and I go through and snap a picture with the barcode and I'm looking it up, it'll tell you exactly what ingredients are on there, why the ingredients is at high risk or medium risk, and what it does to your body, like if you ingest that ingredient. So like one of it could be endocrine disruptors, or or it could be high sodium or high fat, or it has some sort of preservative in it that, it doesn't like. The only thing I found, and again, I'll show you snaps of this, is, for example, I like to get organic butter, and I always choose a really good, high quality butter if I'm cooking. And it gave a poor rating for butter based on fat content. Now, I mean, it's like, yeah, that's what butter is about. It's high fat content. I mean, you can't get around that. Then don't use butter if you don't want a high fat content. So it's some algorithm in there that triggers it as a poor rating if there's a certain percentage of fat that is higher than it deems, good for you. So I would take that with a grain of salt. Definitely kind of look at some of the things that you're eating and go, well, like, olive oil, for example. What's bad with olive oil? Well, it's high in fat. Duh, of course it is. The other things I found in, like I mentioned with beauty products, is that I would go through, and I went through Marshall's. I was at Marshall's, and I was snapping some of the barcodes of some of the beauty products that I was interested in. Based on, this is a pretty good brand. Let me look at the facial cleanser or the scrub for it. And I was very surprised that within certain brands, it would give it a poor rating. Some of them came up as a poor rating, and some of them came up as excellent. So you have to really pick and choose. Also with creamers, I was at Sprouts, and I took a picture of one of their, pumpkin spice creamers that I think had coconut creamer in it or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but it gave it a poor rating based on certain things, and I'm not sure if it was high fat content or maybe it had too much sweetener in it, but it certainly gave it a poor rating. So again, take it with a grain of salt. The database is pretty extensive. Like I said, it recognizes most products. I think I had one or two products that it didn't recognize, but for the most part, it did recognize, most of the products. And I had a really good time with it. And like I said, a lot of ingredients, hidden ingredients that it found that might not be as good for you, even though you're finding these products in a Whole Foods or a Fresh Market or a Sprouts or a Trader Joe's, where you think that some of these food brands are really good for you and safe for you to eat. So that's it. I just wanted to jump on here again and give you guys a quick update. Like I said, I'm going to try to do some vertical content, some short content like this, and see how it goes, if I can push some out there for you guys. And don't forget about me. I'm just, like I said, I'm just going through some major stuff right now, personal stuff with my family, and appreciate all your thoughts and your prayers, and hopefully everything will work out okay. My dad's adjusting well. He's in a nursing home, and I'll talk about more of that maybe in another vertical content video a little bit, what we've been going through as far as elder care is concerned, and hopefully bring some knowledge to you guys about that too. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.